Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk to you how to fix this clock sim. You, you got a clock sim, you see this, water is not going down, so now we have to fix this. In order to fix this, we need small bucket, one towel and one simple screwdriver. Now I will show you how to easy way we can fix this. First of all, I'm going to take out this all of water in a small bucket. Then you can easily fix this underneath this beater. Now I'm going to show you how to remove this beater. I guess this block is happen most of the time in beater. So you need this using this screwdriver. Make sure this underneath this beater, put this one bucket, then water is not go through on the floor. Now I completely remove this beater. To show you, make sure that everything is clean here, and then now I'm going to clean this beater. Make sure that there is no debris mark inside this beater, which is causes this clog. Sometimes we found some lot of hair stuff, and everything is clean. Now I'm going to replace this. Just put in a bag this beater and make sure this tight, properly tight. That's it. Now you see this water is going down very clearly. And we are done. Back to the normal.